Valentina, look. You're so sweet, Christina. Thank you for sharing your lollipop. That was very... Sit. Oh, you're so sweet, Pumpkin. It is green. Valentina's so happy. Oh, I love you, Pumpkin.
Sophia, you gonna let her try now?
Go ahead, let her lick it. Look, Valentina, look, look. What a good girl. Go ahead, one more time.
She's got it now.
That's good, I know. Oh, her face, she's so cute.
Okay, no more Valentina.
Valentina, here. Here, put this in your mouth. Lulu, shake it up. I can't. Are you taping it?
Yes.
Lulu,
Okay, I'll go after the other one.
Oh, Christina, thank you, baby. That's so sweet. You're her Vicky.
And now she's going back to Sophia. Choo choo choo. Here we gotta stop her.